There probably aren't enough videos of unboxing, and especially of unboxing the Apple TV remote. So here's another one. This is, as you might know, if you're familiar with Apple TVs, one of the early models of remotes for an early model Apple TV. Apple TV version 3, I believe. And we just received a replacement Apple remote because the one it replaced had iced tea dumped on it. So you should know that these are not waterproof. I've tried opening it by hand already and it doesn't want to open, so I'm going to have to use a knife and push down in here and cut something. And it's giving me a lot of resistance, so apparently it's tamper-proof. Okay, I had to use quite a bit of force to cut through it. And then we open the lid of the box. This is the first time it's been opened. This thing that I just tore off looks like something to hang it on a display in a store. And then out of this elegant box we pull the packaging, the inner packaging, and we see an instruction manual, which is in English and several other languages as usual. Let's see, what's the first language? The first language is English, and then it has instructions in French. Excuse me, instructions in Espanol, instructions in Portuguese of Brazil, instructions in I'm not sure what this is, Chinese or Japanese or Korean, I don't know. The language is not in English, the language label. So anyway, I know how to use it. I'm not going to read the instructions. This is just mainly an unboxing. And so inside the box we had, in addition to that manual, we have another thing that looks like another box, a box within a box. And what you're seeing there is the Apple remote itself visible through what looks like a cellophane window. And so my fingernail isn't strong enough to pry open the top of the box, so I will once again resort to this knife and very gently and carefully. No, I can't do it gently and carefully. I have to use some force. I will use quite a bit of force to poke down in there because this box in a box is sealed. Okay, I poked down in there and broke the seal. And now it's very stubborn. This is not a user-friendly, like most Apple products, which are user-friendly. The box itself is not user-friendly. So I'm having a hard time getting the box open without tearing it. And I guess I'll just go ahead and tear it. Because it is being very... No, I don't need to. All I had to do is put my finger inside, like this, and poke it out. And so it comes out that way. So you have the box inside a box. Put that back. Put the manual back because I don't need it, at least not now. And there is the remote in all of its humble glory. It is covered on each side with a strip of elegant cellophane. And now I will attempt to peel off the cellophane. It peels off. It is wrapped very thoroughly. Cellophane all over. Cellophane is off. There's the Apple remote. And I'm going to do one more thing and look inside and see if there's anything to keep it from working. I'm going to see if the battery has an insulator on it. I could just go into the next room and try it on the Apple TV, but that would be too simple. Okay, I turned it to open it and look at the battery. There is nothing between the battery and the case, so that means it is active. So that's it. A lot of time for not very much in the way of an unboxing. If you order an Apple remote from Apple, this is how it will be packaged. Happy Apple TV watching to you.